Assalamu alaikum. Today we have Mr. Aijal Hamid, service engineer, Dunham-Bush chiller product from Malaysia.
We are here to commission free-nose water-cooled chiller, 400-ton capacity each in AFIP project. First of all, I'd like to welcome in our country.
Thank you very much for inviting me here.
Okay, so what about feeling in Bangladesh?
Everything is good. I think I like Bangladesh already. I'm stay Dhaka. Yeah.
Is it your first time or you
Actually,
came here earlier?
actually, this is a third time.
Third time.
Yeah.
So you are working in Dunham-Bush organization. Can you give us some suggestion to operating principle or maintenance procedure, air cooled or water cooled chiller?
Yeah. Has a machine. Okay, chiller is one of the machine that we need to maintain. Okay, with the proper maintenance, the chiller will give a long operation, and it can be operation in a normal condition. Okay, so as normal, with maintenance, we have divided by two. One is electrical and one is mechanical. Okay, for the mechanical, the important is for the oil change. Okay, our standard procedure for oil change is 3 hours after operation. Sorry, 3 hours after commissioning, or 1 year. Which one is come first? If, for example, it's 3,000 hours, then you need to change the compressor oil. Okay, and for our controller, it also will give you a warning to change the oil. So the warning is a service warning. So at that time, you need to inform customer. So need to change the oil. Secondly, the tube, the condenser tube and the cooler tube. Okay, this one, what we propose is if the condenser approach is higher than 5 degrees C, 5 degree F. Okay, so you need to clean the condenser or the cooler. So the same value above 5 Fahrenheit, you need to clean the tube.
So for water, do we need to maintain some parameter like pH, TDS, or hardness?
Yeah, recommendation of water quality. So you need to have a local water treatment agent.
Yeah.
So they can give you the chemical for the water. Yeah.
So thank you very much to have with us.
Okay.
And lastly, if you want to say to our viewers, you can say.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for inviting me to Bangladesh. I have a very good experience and good time here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.